Today we're going to review the Q2 tire dressing from Gyeon. This product is SiO2 based, so it should give you the satin look of a water-based dressing, but a longer durability similar to a silicone dressing without the slinging. The first and most important part of having a tire dressing to last is to properly clean the tire. I like to machine clean the tires using the Tough Shine tire cleaner and 3-inch pneumatic mini rotary polisher with a medium carpet brush. Apply the product and clean the tires. These tires were cleaned prior, so I added some stills to show you the before and after, so you can see how dirty your tires get from tire dressing products. Repeat the cleaning process until the brown sludge that you see when you apply the cleaner turns white. That is how you know your tires clean and free from any previous dressings. The next step is to rinse off and dry the tires. Now you're ready to apply the dressing. This product goes on very easy, has a nice thick workable consistency and pleasant fragrance. It goes on with a high gloss shine. Take your time working the product into the tire. Let the product sit for 15 minutes and wipe off any excess product. Apply a second coat if you want a higher and deep gloss. Wipe off any excess product. As you can see, it has a beautiful, deep, high gloss finish. This deep finish is now dry to the touch. The next day, that high gloss look transformed down to a nice satin finish for some reason. It was a clear day when driven home, so there's no reason to have the gloss reduced. When I test tire dressings, I apply them to my daily driver. That is really the best way to see how the product handles the road conditions. From here, you can see the satin finish was just about washed away completely from one drive in the rain. I was disappointed to see this result after just one drive in the rain. On the Gyeon website, this product says it had a durability of 5 washes. They also recommend heating the tire up to open the micropores of the tire to extend durability of the dressing. I was curious to see how well this process held up and wanting to give my viewers the best and most relevant information. I went back, cleaned the tires again, and got out my heat gun. I used the heat gun on a medium heat setting and low fan. I heated the tires to a light warm to the touch. I split the tire into 3 sections, repeating the same process of heating the tire and applying the dressing. As you can see after the tire is done, that lovely deep finish and shine. As you can see, the high gloss finish was reduced down to a deep rich satin finish after the first wash. We gave it another wash a few days later, and the finish is holding up nicely. Still has the deep satin look to it. I do like this product a lot. Great design, smells nice and easy to use. It didn't hold up well with regular application, even with giving the tire a thorough machine cleaning. But it definitely holds up better after using the heat gun process. There are other tire coatings out there that can last 6 months to a year with the same cleaning process and not needing to use a heat gun, which I will show you in an upcoming video. Thank you for watching. Please like our video, hit the subscribe button, and click on the bell to receive notifications for our other videos.